Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to update and export the project code assignments from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 6 in this group of videos, and we will use the SQLite database in this video. You can also use Oracle database or SQL Server when you select any of them. From the main menu, select project, and from the sub-menu, select project code assignments to get the current project code assignments in this database. Now we have more than 800 project code assignments in this database. When we go to Primavera to the same database, and from this option codes, when we select any project, we will find all of its code assignments, and when you select another project you will get its project code assignments and so on. These are all project code assignments in this database, and these are the same code assignments that we have imported by the SDK Magic Tool. We will delete all of these code assignments to learn how you can use SDK Magic Tool. Let us first copy this sheet, and now we will remove all of these code assignments from the database to learn how you can delete these project code assignments. We will generalize this Y. And now from the export menu, select project code assignments and go. As you see, it's fast and accurate when you use the SDK Magic Tool. Now we have no project code assignments in this database. Let us import these code assignments again. As you have no project code assignments in the database. But the SDK Magic Tool will help you a lot when you prepare the project code assignments. In the first column you find all projects in this database, and you can select any of these projects to assign the project code assignments. And from in the second column you will find all of the code types in this database. Just you select this code type, you will find all of its values in the third column, and you can use any value to assign it to this project. As you see, you can select the project from column number 1, and then the code type. And one of the powerful features of the SDK Magic Tool is the dynamic drop list. You have here a dynamic drop list, contains all of these values under this code type. As you see, when you select any code type, you will find its values in the third column. Just you change this code type, you will find another values under column number 3. This is how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare a new code assignments for the projects. Let us go to Primavera to check these changes. These are the previous code assignments. When we refresh data, all of these code assignments will disappear. There are no code assignments in this database. Let us export these code assignments again to Primavera. We will copy these code assignments and then paste them in the same sheet. We will export these code assignments as if we had prepared them from this option we will export all of these code assignments. As you see, it's very fast and flexible when you use the SDK Magic Tool. Now all of these code assignments have been sent to Primavera. When we import them again, we have the same number of the code assignments, more than 800. And when we go to Primavera, after we refresh data to get these updates, we will get the same code assignments as you see for all projects in the database. Now let us change this database in order to learn how you can prepare a new project code assignments. Let us select another database. Okay, and let us import the code assignments in this database. We have no project code assignments in this database. When we go to Primavera to the same database, this is the same database, and as you see we have no project code assignments for these projects. From the enterprise, when we open the project codes, as you see we have no project codes in this database. First we will export some project codes to this database, and then we will use these codes to assign some of them to the projects in this database. First we will go to another database to get its project codes, for example this database, and from dictionary go to project codes and import them. Okay, these are the project codes. We will use these project codes in the other database. Let us change it again to this database, and we will export these project codes. First we must remove these values, because these values for the other database, and these project codes will be considered as a new project codes in our database, and these values will be set by the SDK Magic Tool. Let us export these project codes to Primavera. Now we have these project codes in our database. When we import them, as you see we have these project codes now. When we go to Primavera and open Enterprise, first let us refresh data, then open Enterprise and project codes. Now we have all of these project codes in this database. It will be another video explains how you can modify project codes in Primavera by using the SDK Magic Tool, but in this video we need these project codes to learn how we can prepare the project code assignments. Now let us go again to the project code assignments and import them again from project. As you see, this is the old project code assignments. We have no code types, and also we have no values. After we import the new data, let us import from the project. Let us import these project code assignments again. Now we have these updates. These are our project. Let us select the project, and now we have drop list for all of these project codes. Let us select some of them. Now you know how you can prepare these project code assignments. The SDK Magic Tool can export the thousands of project code assignments to Primavera in very fast and accurate manner. Let us select another one, and now we will find dynamic drop lists with all values according to the code type in the next column. As you see, we will select some values, and now all of these values will be for this project. For the other project, let us select some for the other project. We will use the same code types, and now we can select another values. For example, some another values. For example, let us select these values, and all of these values will be for this project. Now we are ready to export this new project code assignments in this database. From project, select project code assignments and then export them. As you see, it's very fast and accurate. Now let us import them again. Now we have these project code assignments in the database. Let us go to Primavera. For the first project, let us first refresh data. As you see, we have now the same project code assignments that we have exported from Excel. For the other project, for this project we have these values, and for this project we have these values, the same values that we have exported from Excel. As you see, it's very fast and very accurate, and the SDK Magic Tool will help you a lot when you prepare these project code assignments by using its dynamic drop lists. In the coming videos, we will see how you can update or modify the project codes itself and send them to Primavera. Thank you and goodbye.